Hello students, from last 2 or 3 lectures we are going through the text. Its title is The Call of the Soil, a Scent of Rice. You know that the writer was in search of a traditional rice variety which would not require very high inputs of fertilizers and should be quite strong and resist pests. Most of the farmers in that area had switched over to the hybrids. He discussed with Baban's father and some elders and he got the name Kasbai, a traditional variety of rice. Kasbai has distinct aroma, much milder than Basmati. It is long duration crop. The tales of Kasbai made them more determined to get. He asked to agricultural officer and Adivasi Mahamandal at Kasa, where the officer in charge had more knowledge about that. Then they met Dev Handa, an old man. He informed more about the variety Kasbai. He suggested to go at the foothills of the mountain in the next village, Asarwari, in search of that Desi variety. These things we have discussed in the last lectures. Now we should go ahead. See the page number 30. At Asarwari village, we asked the Sarpanch to help us as we were not very fluent with the local dialect. He sent his assistant Jivan with us into the hills. What is given here? After getting the information from Dev Handa, then writer and his friend went to Asarwari village and where they searched Sarpanch to help, right? And that time they were not so fluent with that local dialect. Dialect means regional language of people. In Marathi, Sthanik Bhasha. Writer and his friend was not fluent with that local language, right? And that time, that Sarpanch sent his assistant, means a person who helped, his assistant Jivan with writer and his friend into the hills, right? After a half-hour walk through thick vegetation, crossing numerous streams and ditches and scrambling over rocks and gravel, we reached the sleepy hamlet of Boripada. Okay, what is given here? The Sarpanch of that Asarwari village sent his assistant with writer and his friend. That assistant's name was Jivan. Okay, and these three people half-hour walk through the thick vegetation. There was thick vegetation means there were so many trees were there and they were crossing numerous streams and ditches. Okay, by crossing the number of streams ओढे नाले, ditches खोदलेल्या गोष्टी किंवा खंदक. They were crossing numerous streams and ditches and scrambling over rocks and gravel. Scrambling means blending, एकमेकात मिसळणे. And scrambling over rocks and gravel. Gravel means रेती, वाळू. Okay. And through that rocks and gravels, they reach the sleepy hamlet. Hamlet means small village. Okay. They reached to a smallest village of Boripada. There were just 2 ramshackle houses in front of us and we wondered if this was the right place. And that time, when they reached at Boripada, there were just two ramshackle houses. Ramshackle means in a state of severe disrepair. In Marathi, तकलादू. ओके, म्हणजे खूप साधे असलेले. There were just two ramshackle houses in front of them, and they wondered that time if that was the right place. A wrinkled old woman sitting before one of the houses looked at us with curiosity, and as they reached there, that time a wrinkled old woman, wrinkled जिच्या चेहऱ्यावर सुरकुत्या पडलेल्या होत्या तशी महिला, there was a wrinkled old woman and she was sitting before one of the houses and she was looking at them with curiosity. Curiosity means in a curious manner, and that time that old woman was looking towards them. As we approached her, we signaled to Jivan to ask the crucial question. She muttered in reply, and we looked at Jivan for a quick interpretation. Okay, there was the dialect problem, means there was the local dialect, local language problem was there. Writer was not able to understand that local language, so there was a person with them, the name Jivan, right? And as they signaled to Jivan to ask the crucial question when they approached there, when they reached there, that time writer and his friend signaled, means marked, to Jivan to ask that crucial question. The question was about the traditional variety Kasbai, right? She muttered, means muttered, ती पुटपुटली, कमी आवाजामध्ये ती बोलली. ओके, सी मटर्ड इन रिप्लाय अँड वी लुक्ड ॲट जीवन फॉर अ क्विक इंटरप्रिटेशन. ओके, सी टोल्ड समथिंग इन अ लो वॉइस ॲज अ रिप्लाय दॅट टाईम, अँड दॅट टाईम रायटर and his friend looked towards the Jivan because they didn't understand what that woman told. Okay, and that time writer looked towards Jivan for the quick interpretation. Interpretation means description. Okay, and for the description writer looked towards Jivan because Jivan was the person who was familiar with that local language. He broke into a smile and informed us that she did have the rice and wanted to know who we were and why we wanted it. And that time what happened? As writer looked towards Jivan for the interpretation, that time Jivan broke into a smile, means in a smiley way, Jivan informed them that she had the rice variety, and at first she wanted to know who they were and why they wanted that. Okay, at first that old woman wanted to know who they were, who was the writer and why he was asking for that Kasbai variety, etc., etc. Okay, next, it was a difficult task to keep a straight face, and I had to control and a strong desire to hug her. See what is given? It was a difficult task. Task means work. It was a difficult work to keep a straight face. Okay, that time it was very difficult work for them to keep a straight face, and that time writer had to control a strong desire. He had the desire to hug her. Means the meaning of this line is that writer became so happy when he listened that there was the seed of that traditional variety. After searching for months, we had found the elusive Kasbai. Here writer writes here, after searching for the months, yes, we know that writer was in search for the variety, and he made much trials to get the information about that kasbai, and to find that he spent much time. Okay, we know that after searching for months we had found the elusive kasbai. Elusive means difficult to find, catch or achieve, difficult to achieve. Okay, kasbai, this traditional variety, was very difficult to achieve. He tried so many times, he discussed to everyone about that, correct, but there was not the availability of that kasbai. But here it was available, so writer became so happy. We explained to her that we were from Pate nearby and we needed the seeds to grow it. And that time, as the question asked by that old woman, who they were and what they wanted for, right? And that time, writer exclaimed to her that they were from Pate nearby. Okay, writer informed that lady that he was from Pate village and they needed the seeds to grow it. Okay, they wanted that seed to grow it. We asked for 10 kilograms of rice. She muttered and scowled. Okay, and that time writer asked for the 10 kilogram of the seeds of that rice. That time she muttered and she scrawled. Scrawled means to frown or to look sore. Okay, in Marathi, kapalavar आट्या घालणे. And that time that old woman muttered and she scrawled. Jivan interpreted that she had never heard of Pate village and also did not have a weighing scale. And that time that Jivan described that she didn't heard the name Pate village. Okay, she was unfamiliar with Pate village. Okay, and she did not have the weighing scale. Okay, she didn't have the measurement to give the 10 kilogram of that rice, right? It was village and she was from that poor family. There were no any facilities, etc. She was willing to give the seeds only in basket. Okay, that was the Adivasi area and there was no any weighing scale, म्हणजेच वजन काटा तिथं काही नव्हता आणि म्हणून she became ready to give the seeds in the basket, म्हणजेच टोपली भरून ती ते बास्केट म्हणजेच टोपली भरून ते सीड देण्यासाठी ती तयार झाली. तिच्याकडे काही असा वजन काटा नव्हता जेणेकरून 10 किलोग्रॅम ती सीड्स देईल. We asked for a single basket of rice and Jivan told us to pay her something. And that time, writer and his friend asked for the single basket of rice. म्हणजे त्यांनी फक्त एकच बास्केट म्हणजे एक टोपली भरून ते राईस म्हणजेच ते सीड्स कासबाईच्या सीड्स त्यांनी घेतल्या. अँड दॅट टाईम जीवन टोल्ड रायटर टू पे हर समथिंग. जीवननं इशारा केला रायटरला की काहीतरी आता तिला याच्या बदल्यामध्ये पे करायला पाहिजे. तिच्याकडून एक टोपली ते राईस सीड्स घेतलेत, आता पे करायला पाहिजे. आय हँडेड ओव्हर $100 note and for the first time in the last 10 minutes her face broke into a smile. What is given here? And as Jivan signaled that time, writer handed over a $100 note. रायटर ना त्या म्हाताऱ्या स्त्रीला 100 रुपयाची नोट दिली. कशाच्या बदल्यात? तर त्या एक बास्केट ऑफ राईसच्या बदल्यात. अँड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन द लास्ट 10 minutes हर फेस ब्रोक इनटू अ स्माइल. ॲज शी लुक्ड दॅट $100 note, She became very happy. Okay, at first she was in confusion. Okay, and when she got 100 rupees note, that time she became so happy because she got something as the exchange of that basket of rice. She nodded her head in approval, and that time nodded म्हणजेच मान हलवली. तिनं त्या अप्रुव्हलमध्ये म्हणजेच ओके ठीक आहे असं म्हणण्यासाठी तिनं ती मान हलवली. अप्रुव्हल मीन्स सँक्शन, पसंती, मंजुरी. ओके, सी बिकेम रेडी फॉर दॅट, राईट. नेक्स्ट, ॲज वी वॉक बॅक अगेन्स्ट द फेडिंग सनसेट, leaving behind a smiling old lady, I couldn't help but wonder that here, nestling in the foothills of an unknown mountain away from the hustle and bustle of the road or the city, were the real people of India. What is given here? And that time, by getting that rice seed, they walk back. Okay, and that time the time was the sunset. It was the against the fading sunset, and they were leaving behind that smiling old lady. Okay, they were leaving that smiling old lady. She was smiling because she got 100 rupee note. I couldn't help but wonder that. Okay, that time writer couldn't help but writer wondered that they are nestling in the foothills of an unknown mountain. That was unknown mountain, and in that unknown mountain at the foothills they were nestling म्हणजे त्यांचं वास्तव्य त्या अनोळखी अशा पर्वताच्या पायथ्याशी असलेलं त्यांचं वास्तव्य हे अवे फ्रॉम द हेसल अँड बस्टल. हेस्टल अँड बस्टल मीन्स बिझी, धक्काधक्कीच्या या आयुष्यापासून दूर असलेलं त्यांचं जीवन. ऑफ द रोड ऑर द सिटी, शहर, रस्ते याच्यापासून दूर असलेलं, अशा गर्द्यापासून दूर असलेलं ते ठिकाण, ज्या ठिकाणी रिअल पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, भारताचे खरे लोक राहतात असं रायटर म्हणतोय. दीज वेअर द पीपल हू स्टील हेल्ड on to the rice biodiversity of our land, and no one even cared about them. See what is given here. These were the people, तेच ते लोक होते, who still held on to the rich biodiversity. ज्या लोकांकडे आज चांगल्या पद्धतीनं बायोडायव्हर्सिटी आहे, जैवविविधता तिथंच टिकून आहे. जे लोक जंगलामध्ये ह्या धक्काधक्कीच्या जीवनापासून थोडेसे दूर आहेत, त्यांच लोकांकडे भारतामध्ये बायोडायव्हर्सिटी जिवंत आहे असं रायटर म्हणतोय. तेच निसर्गाची काळजी करतायत. कोण? जे लोक या शहरी भागापासून दूर आहेत, जे रिमोट एरियामध्ये आहेत, तेच लोक निसर्गाची काळजी करतात. आपण एज्युकेटेड असणारे लोक, पण आपल्याला निसर्गाच्या केअरच्या बाबतीत काहीच माहिती नाही, आपण त्याची काहीच काळजी करत नाही असं रायटरचं म्हणणं आहे. दे हॅड नेवर हर्ड ऑफ हायब्रिड्स, फर्टिलायझर्स अँड पेस्टिसाइड्स. व्हॉट इज गिवन? दॅट पीपल, ओके, हू आर लिव्हिंग इन जंगल ऑर इन फॉरेस्ट, दॅट पीपल हॅव सस्टेन द बायोडायव्हर्सिटी ऑफ आवर लँड. ओके, वी डोंट केअर about our nature, but they really worship the nature. They are never heard the hybrid varieties. Okay, we are familiar with the hybrid varieties, but that Adivasi people never heard the hybrid varieties. They don't know about the fertilizers, and they don't know about the pesticides also. We use pesticides, fertilizers and hybrid varieties to get more and more, but Adivasi people, they really care the nature. They don't use that hybrid varieties, fertilizers and pesticides that are harmful to the nature, correct? They just grew their rice and ate what they got. Okay, that Adivasi people who are really who worship really the nature, they just grow their rice and they ate what they got. Okay, the old lady we met had probably never left Boripada. Here writer tells about that lady. That old lady had never left Boripada. म्हणजेच ती म्हातारी स्त्री तिच्या त्या बोरीपाडा ह्या 2-3 घराचं गाव असलेलं तिथपासून ती कधीच दूर गेलेली नव्हती. म्हणजेच तिला जग बाहेरचं माहिती नव्हतं. हर वर्ल्ड वॉज अनस्पॉइल्ड बाय प्रोग्रेस. हे जे काही प्रोग्रेस, जे काही विज्ञानानं केलेली ही प्रगती आहे, हे जे काही रॅपिड डेव्हलपमेंट आहे, या रॅपिड डेव्हलपमेंटच्या नावाखाली निसर्गाचं अतोनात नुकसान केलं जातं. ह्या गोष्टीपासून ती कशी आहे? दूर आहे. तिला प्रोग्रेसपासून ती खूप लांब आहे. आपण प्रोग्रेसच्या नावाखाली अडल्ट्रेटेड फूड्स खातोय, फर्टिलायझर्स, केमिकल्स फार्म्समध्ये आपण वापरतोय. ओके, बट सी हर वर्ल्ड वॉज अनस्पॉइल्ड. अनस्पॉइल्ड म्हणजेच चांगल्या स्थितीमध्ये असलेलं, इन गुड कंडिशन. हर वर्ल्ड वॉज अनस्पॉइल्ड बाय प्रोग्रेस. ओके, प्रोग्रेसमुळं तिचं जग हे नुकसानीचं झालेलं नाही आहे किंवा प्रोग्रेस तिच्याकडं नाही आहे. अँड फॉर वन्स आय वॉज ग्रेटफुल फॉर दॅट. अँड रायटर इज टू ग्रेटफुल. हिअर रायटर इज सो ग्रेटफुल. म्हणजे रायटर कसा आहे? हा कृतज्ञ आहे. त्याला आभार मानाविषयी वाटतात त्या महिलेचे. ज्या रायटरनं आतापर्यंत ती कासबाई व्हरायटी शोधण्याचा खूप प्रयत्न केला आणि त्याची ॲम्बिशन कंप्लीट होण्यामधला सर्वात महत्त्वाचा जो दुवा ठरला ते म्हणजेच दॅट ओल्ड लेडी. सो रायटर वॉन्टेड टू थँक्स दॅट ओल्ड लेडी. हिअर इन दिस टेक्स्ट we have discussed how the person, the writer who was working for 17 years in IT industries and he turned towards the farming, and how he became familiar with the farming, that is organic farming, etc. Okay, we have discussed all these things. This text tells us that we have to think about organic farming, we have to think about nature also, about our biodiversity also, right? So we have to stop here. The remaining activities will be in the next lecture. Thank you.